Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video. It's going to be a toy opening. So we got Pokemon and the Infinity Wars. So we're going to do Pokemon first. In the second day, I need a day. Alright, got our first one open. So you can see we got a Charmander and a Pikachu. These are actually kind of hard to get out. I got them before. And so this is our Charmander. If its flame goes out on its tail, it immediately dies. And here's our Pikachu. See, there's our Pikachu. Now let's do Pikachu and Squirtle. Let's do Squirtle first. Right, here's our Squirtle. He's a water type Pokemon. And Pikachu. He's in a standing pose. And Pikachu and his trainer, Ash Ketchum. But before that, we're going to look at here. It's all the Pokemon you could collect. Alright guys, hold on. So here's all the Pokemon you could collect. See there? And here. So that's all the Pokemon you could collect. Now let's do Ash and Pikachu. Alright, let's do our Pikachu. Got that. And our got that out. I have no idea what this is on its hand. Oh, yeah, got it off. So here's Ash, his trainer. Now, let's do Infinity War. So we got Doctor Strange. Let's open it up. So here's Doctor Strange, his cape though, and stuff right here. I think I put it out. Never mind that noise. So here's him with his cape on. Here's his Infinity Stone. It's like green. So you take this and put it right here. And get his hand. Right there. Never mind that.
Got us a blooper.
What?
Got us a blooper.
What's a blue what?
A blooper.
What's a blooper?
Blooper. Like accident. Like, oops. It's all good.
Well, I think I could fix that.
We'll fix it. It's all good. Which one is that one?
So this, I forgot his name.
War Machine.
War Machine, yeah, War Machine. He comes with his weapons. Really cool. Really cool weapons. He has the blue Infinity Stone. Oh, right. So, boom. And boom. So that's our War Machine. Very good. He has good detail. Side there. And his name is
Drax the Destroyer.
Drax. Alright. So he has a red Infinity Stone. He has a really cool weapon. See that? Like, I think this is like a minigun. And here is Drax. So guys, if you like this video, give us smash that like button and have a good day.